You are welcome to my channel, CEO Consult, as I take you through how to develop a smart student report system. Here's a sample of the system I have developed. I have not entered all the data in the system. That's why you see everything like this. The system has a component that when you select the index number of the student, it changes the data on the platform, as you see. Okay, so we have register, have only 2 students, subject, maths, science, social, computing, career, technology. Good. And then my report sheet. Whenever you enter data, it will reflect. Okay. It gives you the aggregate of the student, total score, current date, name of selected index number, year, and then remarks. That's nice. So let's start. I'm starting a new workbook. Smart Automated Student Report System. You first of all start by creating your register. So you rename the sheet, register. So the first thing you need to do is your register. Register should give you give a title. Let's say exams register, index number, index, name, gender, and attendance. Okay, so you open the cells more to fit the name. Okay, then you can merge it to make it nice. Then you enter. For example, my school is Eduamore Presby Model, so A P M underscore 001. I type APM underscore 002. Okay, I'll select the first and second. So the first and second, I click on the autofill and spread it to, let's say, when students are only 40 or let's say 50 in a class, or 50 in a class like this. So let me extend it again to get 50 students. Another one. Good. And then let me enter Maxwell RJ. And then Adu Kofi Mills. Gender male. Male. I give it a color. Let's say red. That's fine. I can also beautify it. Right click on it, choose format. I go to fill color. Go to fill color palette. I choose green. No, red. 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 And the down. Light. Okay, something like this. Okay. Okay. Then I'll extend it small to make it nice. And then I'll align it at the middle. At the middle. And then change the font type to make it nice. Increase the size small to 16. Change the font type. Okay. I have to put it in the middle. So, middle. That's fine. Something like this. Then I start to create my report. Report. Report sheet. Report. Let me design my report like this. Let me copy my report here. Not to waste time. Not to waste time, my viewers. You need to be able to save data. That's my report. Let me take this out. No, let me take it out. Okay. Not applicable. So you design something like this using your school logo. Something nice like this. All this area are going to receive course. So when you do it, don't rush yourself. Let me give it a color. Green. Then you take your time to do this one. It's very nice. Now let's go to the subject. First subject is English. English language. So English language, you create something like this. You need the student index as well. Index, name. I believe you have been doing cat 1, cat 2. Don't forget to add your percentages. Cat 1, how many percent? Let's assume it's 30. I don't know your school. 30%. Cat 2. Cat 2, 40%. Cat 3. Cat 3 is 30%, giving you a 100%. And then exams, 100%. Okay. And then projects, 100%. That's fine, English. So you increase the name side, then you type over here continuous assessment for English language. Continuous assessment for English language. For English language. Okay. That's what you are going to do. You click here, start with equal to sign, you click on the register, and then you click on the first index number. It will show up. Then you run the index number. You run the index number to get the number in your class. That's autofill method. Make sure you get a number in your class. Okay. Let me run one. Okay, 48, forgotten 48. And then you run the names too like this. Let me clear this one. Okay. Now you open this row, you select it, you go to home, and you choose wrap test. It should give you something like this. And then go to home again. You instruct it, be in line, something like this. You make it bold. That would be nice. Now you leave each column and you go to I. You type exams because the reports you can't get 300%, 200% unless you do some calculations. Then you write cats. I will not add projects because some schools they don't add projects to their report sheet. So I go to cat and Katz and Adams, and I go to skilled tutor. I go to grade and then position. Then I extend it here. Merge it. Change font style. And then increase the size. Oh, bold. Font style. Font size. Okay. Continuous assessment for English language. That's fine. You can also beautify it by giving it, right click, choose format cell, autofill. Let's give it orange and this. Until like this, pin it small. Okay, now let's come back to our course. Here, type equal to exams equal to exams F4 divided by 2. This means that when you enter 100, you get 100 score, it will divide it and you get 50. Okay, let's go to cats. Cats equal to sum of C4 to E4 all over 2. So when get a score of 30, 40, 30 means you get 100, so it will divide it into 2. And then this cell is going to add cell equal to this plus that to give you 100%. Then you move to your scaled total. So scaled total is equal to what you have as your total exams and cards, 100. That's all. Now, when we're doing the register, we type this here. If someone gets 0, the grade is supposed to be 9 and remark must be failed. So here you give it a name, you will select it, right click on it and define and give it a name, define. Let's say APM grades, full stop. APM grades. Okay, I've typed that in already. So it has picked already. So you go to the system, English. So English, let's start with English grade. Equal to, we are looking for the grade. So as pay attention and watch how to write the grade. We call a formula VLOOKUP. So equal to VLOOKUP where we have the mark, comma, which platform? AP grades. Give it comma. Which column is the grade? Is 2, column 2. You type 2, comma, and then true. Close the bracket, hit enter to give you the first, because when you come to this side, the report side, you see when you get 80 to 100, it's first, and the columns are 3. You have 1, 2, 3. The 2 are indicated, represent these two. These 2 represent the column that I'm calling. So this column is where we have the 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Let's go to the position. So position is equal to rank, brackets open, this column, comma, then you rank from that column again, that same place, to where you have your final data, bracket close, it will be first. Is it up to where you have your data? Okay, so let's go run it like this. Then you add dollar sign to the first L, dollar, $4, another dollar, as I'm doing it, dollar, enter. That's very simple, very simple. Then you select these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do autofill, drop it down. Oh, it's more than necessary. 50, column 50. Okay, that's 51. Good. The 999 indicates that you've only entered one person's data. So we are done for English. Change in English color to the chosen color. That's all. Now, to save time, let's type another letter 30. Now it's calculating. Person scored 23 here. Third cat scored 14. Exams 70. So the marks is being given. Good. Now let me take away the data here. Good. And then let's copy it to get the number of subjects we have. So English, Maths, change the name, Mathematics. I change the name over here to Mathematics. Change the color to green. Do for another one. So you do for all the subjects that you have, all the subjects that you treat in school, in your school. So you duplicate to get the number of subjects you treat in your school. So I've duplicated mine. I have English, Maths, Science, Social, Computing, Ghanaian language, French, career technology. That's the end of the subject I'm having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some schools they have PE. You can add it the same. So let's go to the report sheet generation. Now, when you come to the register, we need to give the register a name. So we select all, and then we give it a name. Right click on it, define. We call it register list. Enter. Then we go back to the report sheet. We click on cell N3. Terminate what is there. We go to data. Then data, you see data validation. You click on it. Then click on we go over again. Data validation. Then you clear what is there. Type equal to. I've forgotten the name we gave to